What's up guys, it's Chris here, back again with another video. So despite all the crazy stuff that's going on in the world right now, let's take our minds off of it by painting some shoes. Some black Air Force 1's. I haven't worked on a pair yet, so this should be fun. Oh, and also, don't mind the lack of a haircut. My barbershop's closed, so I gotta deal with this, and you guys gotta deal with it too. But anyways, let's get started. Okay, so now that our shoes are magically taped up, I'm gonna use some white paint from AngelusDirect.com and some Createx Colors Adhesion Promoter. Gonna mix those two things up, 75% paint, 25% adhesion promoter, mix them up and drop them in my airbrush. Now, if you guys wanna try this custom, I'm gonna leave links to every single product I'm using in this video down below in the description box. Let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna mix up our glow-in-the-dark paint. For this, of course, you're gonna need some glow-in-the-dark powder. I've used many different brands over the years, but this one glows like crazy. Also, of course, we'll need some Angelus neutral paint and some Createx Colors Adhesion Promoter. So my ratio is gonna be 70% neutral paint, 30% adhesion promoter. That's gonna give me about an ounce of fluid, and then I'm gonna add in 5 grams of the glow-in-the-dark powder. All the links to everything I'm using in this video down below in the description box. I'm gonna pour this mix in my airbrush and get to spraying. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're all done here. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw today, make sure to join the family down below and subscribe. Also, in my previous video, I announced I was giving away a pair of color changing Ferrari 14s and I passed the deadline on that. So as soon as this video uploads, I'm gonna be dropping on my IG the giveaway process and how I picked the winner, and I'll be announcing the giveaway winner today as well. So make sure to check out my Instagram at Chris Custom Kicks. If you're interested in any of the materials I used today to make this glow-in-the-dark custom possible, make sure to check out the links in the description box down below. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.